Hey guys, welcome back. Been MIA for a little while. Wanted to give you an update on the custom billet truck. Finally got it running. Got a few more things to kind of tidy up on it, mainly the wiring. I've got to mount the body. But got a little running video I can show you here in this video. But yeah, right now I'm running the Castle XLX2 paired with the Hobby Wing 1100 kV motor. I think it's a 56-118. Running it non-censored at the moment. Got a Fly Sky Noble. I've got the front and rear steering hooked up right now with the Savox servos. Running it on B.A.S, but it's got the custom B.A.S chassis, and I'm running XRT shocks with his custom shorty shock towers, and then I've got to put some sway bars on it. Got to drill and tap a couple holes here, I think. And then we finally got the custom battery trays. We've had them for a while. Got those all mounted on the chassis. Got the XRT arms on it as well. Gives it a nice wide, low stance. But yeah, here it is. She's quite the machine. And I got the chain drive all hooked up. It's actually pretty smooth. Got the 5-to-1 planetary unit. So should have some pretty good top speed. Right now I'm kind of just easing into it, making sure everything's running smoothly. But want to give a quick shout out to Big John at John DRC, Chris at 1/5 Scale RC Garage, Kyle, KGM 5512, Jeff at Eastside RC, Todd at RC Ohio, and Mr. Brushless, Kilowatt RC. Sure, I'm forgetting a few people, but yeah. So I'm gonna show you a running video, and you guys have a good summer. July's almost over. Have a good one.